Hey Virgo, getting ready to do your general reading. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. This is a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. Also, this is not a time specific reading or a gender specific reading because energies can be fluid. So take it that way. And if it's not your story, let it be at that. Also, check out your other placements if you're interested. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay. A lot of sneaky energy, a lot of confusion that you're going through, Virgo. What's happening? We have you here, Virgo. Card at the bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles. I think what I feel here is, I think um, you are going through an energy where you don't know what to focus on. Your priorities are your family and money, job, but at the back of your mind, you are thinking about somebody. Um, Someone you're waiting for someone to communicate, come back, and talk to you. I feel that I don't know why, but I get it. I get a feeling that some of you in the past did not have very pleasant relationships with your father, but now lately I feel that that part has been resolved, and I also feel that you know that he has your back. Your parents are your priority. uh, I also see that you have another, could be a mother figure, could be an older sister, an aunt, who is an important part of your life right now. She is taking um, a lot of your attention. Virgos, what I feel is that in the past you felt that life was being very unfair with you. There were things that were kept from you. Could be a relationship where you were a part of a relationship where your partner did not tell you everything, or you did not tell your partner everything. Could be a Pisces person that you were involved with. You've got a lot of sneaky energies. I feel you're burdened. I can see that you're burdened by a lot of responsibilities right now, Virgo. I also feel that if this person is not a sister or a relative, this is somebody who has your attention, and this person wants to be with you, or you want to be with this person, but due to some odd reason or circumstances in your life, that's not possible. You've got the Seven of Cups twice in two different decks. What I feel is that right now, probably because your attention is divided in 10 different areas of your life, you're not being able to give this person that stability. Uh, Let me tell you one thing, Virgo. They are looking at you. They are looking at you fondly. They also remember good parts of you. They know that right now you want to be in this hermit mode, in this mode where you don't want to communicate with everyone or anyone for that matter, except for work, obviously, or things that you cannot miss, like family gatherings or something like that. But you're not going out of your way to socialize or something. You want to stay in your own space and do your own thing. I also feel that in the near future you will be moving on from this confusion that is bogging you down right now. It's burdening you. You're trying to, you're trying to hold on to more than you're capable of. You're trying to, you feel that you are quite, you're strong enough to deal with everything and anything in your life. But the fact is that sometimes even the best soldiers have to rest, and you will be resting very soon. If you're waiting for a communication to come, let's see who you're waiting this communication from. Whoever this person is that you're looking at to communicate with, this person is uh, spending time on themselves. They are, concentrating on their own growth. Could be a water sign individual, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who could have some earth in their chart. Earth meaning Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. They have, even they feel that you should communicate, but you're not communicating with them. Probably it's not the right time, probably they aren't in the right frame of mind. They feel stuck, and so do you. Stuck, stuck as in not, it's not like you are being forced to do something, but right now something else needs your attention. And even they feel that there's something else in their life that needs their attention, and this connection, this communication with you can wait. But it's going to happen. Somebody wants to communicate with you, and if in case you take this initiative of communicating with them, it's going to turn out to be, it'll turn out to be something fruitful. It'll be positive. Yeah, communication is key. Meditate and contemplate. Step out of your comfort zone, Virgo. Sometimes we get so stuck in our routine that we don't realize that if we just move out of our comfort zone and make the first move, probably things will be simpler than what they appear to be. A fiery climax approaches, probably with this person that you want to communicate with. Could be two people, could be three. It's time to release negativity. Guys, in the past, if you guys have had any kind of um, argument or fight or breakup or whatever, you'll need to let that energy go and start afresh. Step out of your comfort zone, and you know, sometimes we get stuck in our ego and we don't make the first move, or we keep waiting for the other person to communicate with us. But even then, but I feel that they are scared about how you would react. Probably they want you to, um, be a little more approachable. And right now, you are not emitting those approachable energies. It feels as if you're very shut off, and they know that you are. So I feel whenever, all in good time, I guess, whenever you feel fit to do so, try and open up a little, try and communicate a little, give the other person some kind of sign so that they'll know what to do, they'll know that they're in a safe space to communicate if you want it. If not, then it's all cool. You are the boss, Virgo. Um, I mean, it's your life, and if you want guidance towards this connection, then yes, you should communicate. If it's nothing, if it doesn't matter to you, then it's all fine. In case you guys are feeling a little under the weather, rest assured that your health is improving. You'll be fine. You'll feel better about yourself mentally, emotionally. Sometimes when we are stuck in our work and our egos, it starts creating a blockage in our life, which in turn becomes a blockage in our health, um, leading to a lot of diseases and issues health wise. So, it'll just be a humble advice to you if you can just let go of these energies and live the moment. Um, it is quite evident that you are paying attention to your money because you've got this card at the bottom of the deck. Uh, but the fact is that don't forget to live. I mean, in the process of making money, don't become a machine. Don't become something that you feared you'd become, Virgos. Uh, you just need to calm down a little. Money is coming your way. I can see it. But live the moment. If you want to talk to somebody, talk to them. If you want to have a conversation regarding anything with anyone, go ahead and do it. God knows they may be waiting for you to do it. And and one small little sign from you, probably a small little text or a friend request or, a call probably would really help this situation and it'll help you personally, guys. You've got two full moons and two new moons, um, urging you to end the past negativity and begin afresh with whoever you want. Probably this person from your past or somebody new who you have in mind. But do it and stay happy, guys. Don't get so bogged down by life. Try and not get bogged down by life. I hope this reading helped, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Bye.